Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can make your own Funko Pop stickers. Side note, they don't have to be Funkos, they can be any picture you would like. So what I'm going to do is, I found this website here, it's called popfigures.com, and it's pretty cool. They have every single Funko Pop category you can think of. I'm on the homepage right here, click on franchises, and just for purposes here, I'm going to just do the Avengers one. And I'm just going to find about 8 of them for you. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to right click and save the image. And I have this nifty website here. It's called www.remove.bg. They remove the background. Since these are stock photos, the photos will have a white background behind them. And this will be how the process will go. And I'm just going to do this 7 more times for you. All right. I'm gonna pull up Photoshop. Now, when you pull up Photoshop, make sure that when you do this, I typically have it at an 8.5 by 11 sheet size with 300 ppi. Now, when I do this, I always make sure that the background contents right here, I always have this switched to transparent. It's always defaulted to white. I have it for transparent because obviously when you print this off, you're going to have the see-through background here. So let me go ahead and get the process started for you. What I'm going to go and do is I'm just going to drag and drop them one at a time for you. Now, here is the first image. What I'm going to do is I'm going to full screen this for you. I'm going to hold the control button on the keyboard, and then I'm going to click on the image on Photoshop. Now you see the image has been highlighted. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to click this plus icon down here, and it's automatically always placed at the top, but I'm going to click and hold and bring it down so it's below it. Now make sure it's clicked on, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to click select, I'm going to click modify, and I'm going to click expand, and I always do 70. It's totally up to your preference here. And to make sure, when you go over here to the left side, you're going to see this paint bucket icon. Make sure the color is always white. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to bring this paint icon here, and I'm going to click on it, and now you see the outline is white. I click the file, and I click export, and I click quick export as PNG. Typically I name it whatever I want, and I'll do this process 7 more times. Cricut app and click the upload button right here. And unfortunately, you will have to upload these one out of a time. I always do complex. Continue. Make sure there isn't any holes on the left side, and I always click on the right side at all times. Upload. Now I'll do this process 7 more times for you. All right, guys, now that is wrapped up, what the next step will look like is you click view all, and you see that they're all loaded up here. And I'm going to click on the 8 that I just uploaded. Add to canvas. All right, so now that they're all pulled up here, I'm going to click on each individual image, and right here on the right side, you see the one that I click on is selected. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to height, click 2, enter. And the reason why I did 2 is because that's how big I want them. And actually, I'm not going to do them 2, I'm going to do them 3 inches around the height. Enter. 3. Enter. All right, guys, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to click Make It. And then I'm going to click Continue. And click Send to Printer. And that's how you do the process, guys.